In this video, I will show you how to fix unclickable taskbar in Windows 11. So to get started, go ahead and open your Windows device, and then from here, go ahead and press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard. So this will allow you to open the Task Manager on your Windows device. So click on that buttons at the same time. Now once the Task Manager pops on your screen, head over into the Processes tab, and then from here, look for Windows Explorer. So basically, these are actually organized in alphabetical order. So simply look for the W section and then look for Windows Explorer. And then once you find that, go ahead and right click on that and click on Restart. So after you do that, you'll be able to fix the issue such as unclickable taskbar in Windows 11. That is how you can simply fix unclickable taskbar in Windows 11.